has podiumed a whole bunch of times, never actually won it. Will this year be the year? The bar is loaded. Les Grills, 272.5, 600 pounds for Les Grills. One half of the CrossFit Duality team. Also trains out of PTC Northside. Regularly stakes his claim as Australia's strongest CrossFitter. He can handstand walk and go 800 with ease. Well, 272 is, he knows how Pro Raw works. He's done a whole bunch of them. The bar is loaded. Les Grills, the Queenslander, spends his time between CrossFit Duality and PTC Northside. Very experienced athlete, has been on the podium of Pro Raw a number of occasions. At this stage, the bar is loaded. Les Grills. This early stage, but there is a 192.5 going on the bar for the Queenslander Les Grills. The bar is loaded. Les has come runner-up to Critter on a number of occasions. He has come to make amends for that today. $192.5 kilos on the bar for Les Grills in the 80 kilo men's division. She's opening a bench press. The bar is loaded. Les Grills training out of a CrossFit Duality and PTC Northside in Brisbane. $202.5 kilos for Les Grills in the 80 kilo men's class. Second bench press attempt. For Les Grills, he did miss 202.5. He's currently your leader, but he will want to get this bench press to give himself a bit of breathing space between himself and Critter. Your current leader, he missed this on his second attempt. He's going for a free third, 202.5 kilos. He's not renowned as a giant deadlifter, but his deadlift certainly has improved over the years. And he'll be opening on a 272.5 deadlift. He's on a subtotal of 502 at the moment. The bar is loaded. Word on the street, he is Australia's strongest CrossFitter. I've been saying it for 4 years and haven't been disproved yet. Somebody would have told me if he wasn't. The bar is loaded for Les Grills. He is the leader at this stage. He's 7.5 kilos ahead of Critter. He does want to get this. This will put a bit more space between himself and Critter Stamatiou. The bar is loaded for Les Grills. 302.5 kilo deadlift attempt. This could be the deadlift that wins Pro Raw, or certainly make Critter have to chase him. Queenslander training out of a CrossFit Duality and PTC Northside. Get behind him, ladies and gentlemen.
A lot of times, it's just the tunes you play. It very well could just be the tunes, baby.